Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of easy-to-sell wooden design ideas for profit in today's market for a home decor lover or an entrepreneur seeking sustainable and marketable design ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Crafting for cash in today's market has become more than just a creative outlet. It has evolved into an exciting pathway where passion, design, and sustainability merge into profitable opportunities. And whether you are a home decor lover who delights in filling spaces with warmth and charm, or an entrepreneur seeking marketable design ideas that resonate with eco-conscious buyers, this journey invites you to see wood as the ultimate medium for crafting beauty with purpose. For wood possesses an unmatched versatility that allows it to be molded into timeless pieces that not only enhance living spaces, but also generate consistent income in a world where consumers crave authenticity, individuality, and sustainable options. And as people search for meaningful decor that tells a story rather than settling for mass-produced, disposable furnishings, wood crafts stand out as treasures that connect deeply with both heart and home, making them easy-to-sell designs that carry both aesthetic and financial value. The appeal of wood in today's market lies in its authenticity, as each grain, knot, and texture tells a unique tale that cannot be replicated by synthetic alternatives. And this individuality transforms every piece of wooden decor into something one-of-a-kind, a quality highly valued in an era where buyers want designs that reflect their personal identity, values, and style. And when you, as a maker, channel your creativity into wooden designs, be it a rustic shelf, a sleek minimalist coffee table, or a decorative accent piece, you are not just crafting an item, you are crafting a narrative, and narratives sell because they give buyers more than a product. They give them a piece of meaning that feels alive within their homes, making the act of selling wooden crafts not just a business transaction, but an exchange of stories, artistry, and values that resonate with modern consumers who yearn for a deeper connection to the things they buy and the spaces they live in. The market for wooden crafts has also grown tremendously due to a larger cultural shift toward eco-conscious living, because buyers today are not only interested in how an item looks, but also in how it was made and the values it represents. And wooden crafts, especially those made from reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, embody an eco-friendly lifestyle that aligns with the desires of a generation increasingly aware of its environmental impact. And for entrepreneurs and creators, this opens vast opportunities to market designs not just on their beauty, but also on their sustainability. For a simple repurposed wooden lamp or an upcycled side table crafted from salvaged timber becomes more than decor. It becomes a conversation piece, a symbol of sustainable living, and a product with higher perceived value. And by blending artistry with eco-conscious storytelling, wooden decor makers are able to tap into profitable niches where aesthetics and ethics combine, creating designs that are easy to sell because they fulfill both emotional and practical demands. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. The ease of entry into this craft-based marketplace is another reason why wood is such a powerful medium for turning imagination into income, because unlike large-scale manufacturing that requires expensive machinery and industrial infrastructure, woodworking can often begin with minimal tools, scraps of timber, and a spark of creativity, making it accessible to beginners and enthusiasts who want to test their entrepreneurial potential. And as skill grows, so does the capacity to refine designs, expand offerings, and attract a wider customer base, all while maintaining low overhead costs and maximizing profit margins. And this scalability makes wooden crafts one of the smartest and most sustainable avenues for anyone interested in transforming creative passion into financial success, whether through online platforms, local markets, or bespoke commissions that cater to specific client needs. Moreover, the timeless charm of wooden furniture and decor ensures that demand remains strong across different demographics and design preferences, for wood has the rare ability to adapt to virtually any style: rustic, modern, minimalist, bohemian, or industrial, making it universally appealing. And this adaptability allows makers to target broad audiences while still creating niche designs that stand out, and a rustic farmhouse table can captivate one buyer while a sleek, modern floating shelf attracts another, yet both share the same foundation: wood as a timeless material that elevates living spaces with warmth and character. And this adaptability means that sellers are never bound to one aesthetic, but can continually experiment, innovate, and adapt to evolving trends without losing relevance, ensuring long-term profitability in a competitive marketplace. For home decor lovers, crafting with wood becomes a way to infuse living spaces with personal touches that cannot be bought in generic stores, while simultaneously offering opportunities to turn hobby into income. Because what begins as a personal project to beautify your own home, say, a hand-carved centerpiece bowl, a custom picture frame, or a reclaimed wood bookshelf, can quickly evolve into a product that others desire once they see the artistry and uniqueness. And this organic growth from passion to profit illustrates the natural harmony between woodcraft and entrepreneurship, proving that success is not limited to large-scale businesses, but is accessible to anyone willing to invest creativity, time, and heart into their craft. For wood, with its inherent beauty and versatility, provides the perfect canvas to make this transition smooth, rewarding, and sustainable. Entrepreneurs, too, find in woodcraft a strategic business model that aligns with modern consumer psychology, because buyers no longer want furniture or decor that simply fills a space. They want pieces that speak to them, reflect their values, and elevate their daily living. And wooden crafts are uniquely positioned to meet these demands by offering functionality, style, and storytelling in one package, and when marketed effectively, highlighting both the craftsmanship and the eco-conscious aspects. These items can command higher prices, attract loyal customers, and establish a strong brand identity that resonates in a crowded marketplace. And in this sense, crafting for cash with wood is not merely about selling decor, but about creating meaningful connections between maker and buyer, between nature and home, and between sustainability and modern living. Ultimately, the journey of crafting for cash through easy-to-sell wooden designs is about embracing wood as more than just a resource. It is about recognizing it as a timeless partner in creativity, sustainability, and entrepreneurship. For every curve, grain, and finish holds within it the potential to inspire beauty, evoke emotion, and generate profit. And whether you approach woodcraft as a passionate decor enthusiast eager to bring warmth into your home, or as a determined entrepreneur seeking sustainable, marketable ideas, the path remains the same: to craft with purpose, to create with imagination, and to sell with the confidence that wood will always be a medium that connects deeply with human hearts, modern lifestyles, and the planet we share, making it not just a material for projects, but a foundation for dreams, success, and meaningful living. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, easy-to-sell wooden design ideas for profit in today's market for a home decor lover or an entrepreneur. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.